Look at this. I just took it off. For some reason, it reminds me of Jeepers Creepers. Where'd you get those peepers? Jeepers Creepers. Where'd you get those eyes? That movie was crazy back when I was a young boy. Anyway, this one I'm working on here. Trying to cut back certain things out of the diet and enjoy the good old corn. Children of the Corn, which was also a very interesting movie as a child for some reason. Anyway, protect your energy though. And enjoy the finer things in life, which is simplicity. Keep it simple, keep it 100, and also be complex at the same time.